Hello everybody, my name is Shay, this is Rustic Goddess Resale, and today it's actually going to be a haul. I know I said I wasn't going to do these, but I had the very last weekend of garage sales in my area, so I could not resist. I did Thursday through Saturday all day garage sailing. Like, I am so pooped. Today is Monday, it's the Monday after I did all that, and I'm still so tired, but we got some great items, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm not going to source the rest of the year, but we all know how that goes. Maybe I have a bad day and I need to go to the bins because that sometimes is my therapy. But as I sort through this huge pile that I just threw out of my car because I needed to go another day, my trunk is still full, I am going to be going through everything on my floor and putting them into bins so we can get this place back in working order. So, first off, I have these Soma bras, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to try these for myself first. Got this bug assault gun, and I'm actually pretty excited about this. These retail for like, I think $60 to $70, and I do own one of these. We use it all the time to shoot flies. It's actually pretty entertaining for little kids if you have little kids, but this is brand new in the box. I'm pretty sure this retails for like 70 to 80 bucks, so I should be able to get at least 50 to 60 on eBay, and I paid $6 for this. These Altra shoes. Altra is a great brand. I even had some that were pretty beat up. Like, these ones are in pretty decent shape. I had some that were pretty beat up. They still sold for 40 bucks, so I paid $10 for these. I'm gonna say I paid $10. I actually went to this garage sale and got a board game and also a book for my kids and paid $10 total. So I'm just kind of lumping that into my cost. These Z coils, I found more Z coils for $1 whole, and they look great on the bottom. These are a men's size 13, so we'll see how the bigger sizes do, but that was a great find. I got these UGG. I don't know how this style does. It was basically free because I made a deal with the person, but these are like leather slip-ons for men. They are in a size 10. And the bottoms look pretty good on those. So any leather shoes should go for 25 to 30 if they don't have very good comps, because if you think about it, like, I didn't think about it like this until I started watching Ginger Marvin, but she's like, if you go to Payless, they're like 40 to 50 bucks for shoes that aren't even leather. So if you're selling leather, great quality shoes on eBay, you should at least be able to get 30 bucks. I also got this New Wave induction cooktop. This is like a camp stove, perfect for going camping, and these sell for 40 to 50 bucks plus shipping, and I'm happy to pick up more hard goods because I like have a love-hate relationship. I love shipping clothes. I hate shipping hard goods, but hard goods do sell better, so I am definitely never going away from clothes. As you know, I do love the ease of shipping, but I do dabble in a few different hard goods. I got these Ariat boots. These were, I think these were around $5. They say 10, but I made a deal at this garage sale. So they look really great on the bottom. The tops do need some cleaning, possibly some leather conditioner. I'm kind of lazy though, and I don't condition many things. So these may just be a list as is item, and they should go for at least 40 to 50. This Oakley winter jacket, I am not sure what comps are on this, but it only was $5. So I thought at $5, even if it sells for just 25 bucks, that would be a great deal. It is a men's size medium. And yeah, it's not down, but that's okay. It's a good name brand. Also got this jacket. This is a awesome like motorcycle or even motocross jacket, and these retail for a ton. I only paid $3 for this. I could not believe the price. This was not marked at this person's garage sale, and normally when something isn't marked and they make you like come ask them the price, normally it is something that's like sentimental or they want a certain price for it. He was like, I don't know, $3, and I was like, perfect. So this should sell for a good amount. I don't know comps on it. I just knew it was a good deal at $3. Got these True Religion jeans. So these were only $1. And they feel really nice quality. The stitching looks great. So I have no reason to believe that these are not authentic. and they are the Audrey Slim Boyfriend in a size 28. So I know they don't sell as well as they used to, but as long as I price them at like 20 bucks, $1 into 20 is still a great price. We got these Big Stars. They don't make Big Stars anymore, and these are in a size 29, so great size. They do still have all the rhinestones on the butt and all the nice fading on the front. These should do pretty good. I mean, at least 25. I walked up to this garage sale and I could see this jacket like displayed out front, and I was like, it's probably marked at like 50 bucks. Well, I went up there to look at the price and it was priced at $5, and this was not the beginning of the day. I have no idea why this was still here. This was like Friday at like noon or 1 o'clock. Like there had been quite a few people at this sale and they didn't pick up this perfect condition Lululemon jacket, and it's in a size 6. Still has the hang tag and everything for $5. So I should be able to get 40 to 50 for that. I also, right behind it was this Lululemon jacket for $5, and this one happens to be new with tags, so that is beautiful. I don't know, probably 50. I'm not sure what this jacket comps out at, but Lulu prices have gone down slightly. I mean, not that they've gone down, but they just doesn't sell as fast as it used to, so that is great. But I'm still, for $5 a piece, I paid $10 for 2 Lululemon jackets. These Levi's 501 skinnies, and these are the premium denim. And these are a size 25 times 28, so a tiny size, but they were new with tags, and I only paid $5. This little Levi's jacket, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna make my child wear this for a picture before I sell it, but it's so cute. I have like probably 5 of these. There's a few in my house that I like refuse to get rid of, but it's so adorable. Little jacket. I just love it. I don't know what the size is. It is a size, I don't know. I think it says size 7, but it's super cute for $3. It was actually from a sale where I walked up and she said everything was free, so I just grabbed whatever I thought would sell. This is Nike Pro Dry Fit size medium, little fitted long sleeve running shirt. I got these Big Stars at another garage sale, and they do have a rip in the knee, and I'm not sure if that's manufactured or not, but they were $1. Gosh, these are $150 pair of jeans. I could at least get 25 bucks for those. So this one is, I don't know if this was a good pickup or not. It was $3, so it's not like a huge deal if it's not, but it's one of these like Cabbage Patch dolls, and it says 1978, 1982. And it's like the one with the binky in it, which I've heard from some people that like, I've heard the redheads do well. I've also heard the binky ones do well, so we'll see. This Clarisonic Mia face scrubber for $5. Needs a new brush head, yeah. I'm just gonna take the old brush head off of it and sell it just as is with the charger. This should go 20, 25 bucks. There's another item from this person's garage sale. This is a Under Armour running half zip. I may keep this for myself. I don't know though. I found a different one that I liked better, so I'm probably gonna sell that one. This was also at the free sale. This is a size medium cowl neck Nike fashion top. I got this whole bag of scrubs for I think $14 with my, I paid $15 with these plushies too, so I kept the plushies for my kids. So I guess I will say this is $15, but they are a bag of 5 pairs of scrubs from Scrubstar. Scrubstar, and these feel like figs, so they're probably a higher quality scrub, so I went ahead and took all 5 of these, so that's $3 a piece. That's pretty good. I'll probably sell them in a lot. These were at a charity garage sale, so they were charging $1 a piece for everything, so I got these really nice Crocs flip-flops. They're in a size 7 and they look brand new, so those were only $1. Also got these 2 Camelback bags, and they do come with bladders. I'm not sure if I will sell them with the bladders. I have to look and see what the condition of the bladders is, but the bags do sell as well. So there is that one. And then this one's a more substantial Camelback with the bladder inside as well, so we'll see on those. This Barefoot Dreams Cozy Light size large little hooded pullover. I'm trying to figure out why they were only charging $2 for this, but I never question it at garage sales. I did look it over and it doesn't seem like anything's wrong with it. So super, super nice little pullover. I'm not expecting the world for this because the resale prices have gone down, but 25 to 30. I did also get these True Religion pants. These are more of an older style. If I tag Y2K, these should sell because they are definitely a low rise straight leg pair of jeans. I think I paid $5 for these. I also got this Athleta size large skort. Skorts do super well, especially I've had really good luck with Athleta brand skorts. So size large, it will do well. Got these Carhartt coveralls, I think for $8 at this garage sale. Carhartt is like, we're in Carhartt country here in Iowa, so I find Carhartt at garage sales all the time. And honestly, I pretty much pick it up any condition because any condition will sell. Sometimes the stained up pairs will sell to the trendy people in California. That's where all of my stained up pairs have gone, to California, so it's just kind of funny. Got these Echo brand just slip-on leather like loafer style shoes for $3. These really clean Keen shoes. Now, these were $5. I don't pick up Keens as much as I used to, and I really pay attention to condition now. These were in really great condition and very, very clean, so I went ahead and picked those up. They are a women's size 7.5. This Yeti camo water container. It's nice and clean on the inside at a charity garage sale, so I paid around $3 for this. I don't know, I think some items with this camo print do well. I personally hate this camo print, but anyway, there's a buyer for everything. The same garage sale, I got this vintage Thermos brand thermos. I don't know, the person wanted $3 for it, so I paid it, and it looks brand new. I don't think anybody ever used it because it does still have like the vintage little paper on it. Found another one of these Wild Bird baby. Oh, she did have a sticker on it. I didn't see the sticker on this, but yeah, she did quote me the right price. She charged me $15 for this, and it's one of those baby carriers with the really pretty like rose gold loops. This is in a pink color. Wild Bird, there's the logo. Very pretty, nice little linen wrap. I just sold one of these in like a red color for $40 plus shipping, so hoping to get that for that. Not sure if I should have bought this. It was only $2. It is a Free People size extra small. Little pull over top. I might just keep it for myself, to be honest, because it does look like it will fit me. I also got this Free People embroidered dress. This is in a size extra small as well. And it's just a really pretty, modest little prairie dress. This would be beautiful for pictures. I got this North Face jacket. This is a really nice jacket. It is in a youth large, I believe. Yep, a boys large, size 14, 16. This was $15. I should be able to get 40 to 50. These are a pair of Judy Blues in a size 14. These were $5. And they are just a nice like raw hem pair of skinny jeans. Another pair of Judy Blues in a size 14. These were also $5, and they're the splatter paint ones, which a lot of boutiques are actually still selling these. So these Allegria shoes, these are in a size 11, so great size. They were $7. They are beautifully clean on the bottom. They have a little bit of schmutz on the inside, but not too bad. Those should go for around 40. Little girls Crocs. These, I've never seen this style before. It's really cute. I mean, it's the clog style, but like with the pattern on the top. These were $4. They are a size 3, youth 3. So those should go for 15 to 20. I also got these for 50 cents. And these are also really nice and clean on the bottom. They are a toddler size 12, 13. Should be able to get 15 to 20 for those. I also got these Miss Me jeans in a size 31. They are just a nice boot cut. I did pay $5 for these. I try not to pay more than like $8 for a pair of Miss Me's. but these were a great size and I did check it over. They are in great shape, so those should do well. And that is where I'm gonna wrap up this part of the video with you guys. So this is part 1 of probably a 3-part haul of my garage sales. My last set of garage sales for the season. If you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!